What's up, everybody? Welcome to our 7-day, 7-move, 7-minute challenge. Oh yes, this series is going to get you feeling the burn from head to toe. So Penny, are you ready? We're going to get started with some abs. Alrighty, everybody. So Penny, you're going to be my little sidekick for today. What we're going to do, everybody, is we've got 30 seconds of exercise, a really quick little rest, and we're going to take it into the next exercise. So you're going to come all the way down onto the ground for me. We're going to take it into a bird dog. So Penny, you're going to be my little head rest for today. You're going to lie all the way down on the back. You're going to lift your chest up, and we're going to take it into one extension and take it all the way back. So pull that belly button in towards your spine, and 3, 2, 1. Let's go for it. That's it. Extend nice and long, and here we go. So you are going to get fired up through this challenge, everybody. Yes, every single day I want you to show up and do your best. So if you're already doing the workouts on the app, incredible, you would know that it's updated now, and there is so many extra features for you, including a mindset section. Oh my goodness, we're going to literally take your whole results to the next level. So all you're going to do is you're going to add on these 7 minutes every single day and boost those results as we go into our new month. Here we go, everybody, and breathe for 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, you're going to come all the way up. As I said, we're not going to have any rest today. We're going to go straight into some sprinter sit-ups. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. So lift up through the chest and take it all the way down. Modified version, you're going to take it up and then twist at the top and take it nice and slow down. So this is 7 minutes of workout with no rest whatsoever. So just keep on pushing forward. Every single time that you show up for this series, you're going to get better. So try doing it once this month. Next month, add it in again and keep on pushing yourself. Give me one more and release. Okay, we're going to take it into some circle leg drops. Oh yes, let's work those lower abs. So legs up to the sky. You're going to take a nice big circle and then shoot right back up to the top again. Here we go, everybody. Just keep thinking, one more rep, one more rep. I'm going to get through it. And even if this is your second workout for the day, just keep pushing for that extra 7 minutes. And hey, guys, if you haven't done another workout today, no problem. This is going to be an amazing series for you, a little 7-day challenge that you can keep on doing as you get stronger and stronger. So starting off with, 5 minutes of exercise a day, adding on to 7 minutes, 10 minutes, and before you know it, you're going to be doing our 28-minute workouts. 3, 2, 1, and release. Give yourself a little bit of a shake, shake out those legs, and we're going to drive your car. Oh yes, you're like, what is this move? My VIPs know. We're going to bring it up right here, and we're going to take it slow all the way down. So tap the ground to the floor, and then come all the way back up again, and use that core to lift you all the way up. Now think about really aggravating that core muscle, right? You really want to wake it up. So come down nice and slow, all the way down to the ground. Come on, 10 seconds left here. Modified version, if you need to bring your hands over the top, you can, and then take it all the way down. That's it. Inhale through your nose, exhale out for 3, 2, 1, and release. Shoot those legs up to the sky. We're going to take it into opposite toe touches to really work those oblique muscles and the top part of the abs. So lift up your chest and let's take it, tapping the opposite ankle. All right, you showed up today because you want to crush this series. You want to crush the 7-day challenge, and you're going to make it happen. So every single day we've got a different body part. We're going to do some cardio. We're going to work the inner thighs, and it's just going to be 7 minutes of pure burn. So let's keep it going. That's it. Shoot those legs up a little bit higher to the sky. Breathe through it and inhale for 5, 4, come on, 3, 2, 1, and you're going to come all the way over onto your front. Last exercise for our abs right here, then we're going to repeat the whole thing. Is you're going to come onto a low plank for me, and we're going to take it forwards and backwards. So your head isn't going to be in line with your booty all the way through to your heels. Pull the core in nice and tight, and here we go. You've got this. Stay strong, stay focused, stay in control. We're going to crush this whole 7 days, so make sure that you keep on showing up. All right, I want you to put a number 1 in the chat if you are committed to doing this full challenge with me and that you have done day 1. So in the comments, right, put number 1 so I can see who's going to be doing it with us. 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, you know the moves. The first round was just a practice, and we're going to take it all the way back to that bird dog. So shoot your arms up nice and high, and we're going to extend long, and here we go. That's it. Extend, pull that core in nice and tight. into our little dead bugs. That's what they are. All right, bird dog, we're gonna flip it over and do the other way, but today we're gonna take it into our little dead bugs. All right, so pull the core in nice and tight, tucking those hips underneath and extending those arms long. All right, the longer that you can get your arm, almost if you're gonna tap behind you, the more that you're gonna feel it in the core, but you gotta make sure, oh yes, that back is staying nice and flat onto the ground. 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, shake out those legs, shake out those legs. We're gonna take it into sprinter sit-ups. So modified version, your arms are gonna be over the top of your head to pull you up for momentum, and then squeeze. Oh yes, this is a killer exercise. You're gonna start to really feel the burn kicking in, so just keep pushing yourself. All right, we are over halfway. Remember, 7 minutes, 7 moves for 7 days. Commit to yourself. Commit to showing up. Lift up that chest and really give me a full twist at the top. That's it. Open up those elbows all the way down. Lift up, less than 10 seconds. You can do it. Give me a couple more. Can you squeeze one more in? The answer is yes. And release all the way down. We're going to take it into those circles. So legs are going to be straight up, and you're going to take the circles going outwards. Release the hands on the ground. The legs are nice and straight. Your head is relaxed. No tension in your neck or your jaw. That's it. Even if you want to feel like you're swearing at me, just relax, just smile at me. It's all going to be okay. And then stand those legs up nice and high, and then take them down a little bit lower towards your edge. Here we go, everybody. Take a nice big inhale and exhale. The core is on fire. You can feel the burn. That's why we're going to hashtag I can feel the burn, Rebecca. Here we go for 3, 2, 1, and come all the way up. We're going to take it into driving that car, driving the car, whatever car that you're driving. Maybe you're driving a boat, maybe it's an airplane, whatever that you want to drive today. We're going to take it all the way down. That's it, nice and slow. And then we've got 2 exercises after this. Lift all the way up. That's it, the core is on fire. We got this. Now take it down. Inhale through your nose, exhale out. That's it, little tap from side to side. Come all the way back up again. Use that core to lift you up. That's it, halfway through. We've just got 2 exercises left, and then you are completed. So lift up, we've got the toe touches, and then we've got the last planks forwards and backwards, and that's where you're gonna really feel the burn. Hold here for 3, 2, 1, release all the way down, shoot those legs up to the sky for me. Now lift up that chest. Remember, we want to work the top part of the abs right here, so use that part to lift up your chest and then tap over the opposite ankle. Here we go, everybody. You're looking good. You're looking strong. We gotta start it off with abs, right? I feel like abs is everybody's favorite, but 80% of how you look and feel is down to the foods that you eat. 20% is gonna be the exercise. So if you haven't already got a customized meal plan from me, yes, it's customized from you. You can get it free when you join the app, and boom, you're gonna get connected with one of my coaches that's gonna give you a free plan and coach you for a couple of days as well. Here we go, lift up and release. All right, last exercise, flip all the way over onto your low plank, and we're gonna take it for 30 seconds going forwards and backwards. It's on fire, we're burning. 3, 2, 1, let's go. And that's why this 7-day challenge, this series is gonna fire you up and get your body burning, because I'm picking the best exercises to get us the results in the fastest amount of time. So right now you're probably gonna feel, oh yes, my core is on fire. And tomorrow, well, your next body part, well, we're gonna feel the burn just as much as we are right now. So make sure that you stay on track all the way through this 7 days, and we do it together. 3, 2, 1, and release down. Oh my goodness, shake it out, shake it out. You guys did amazing. Make sure you put a number 1 in the comments that you are doing this challenge with us, so that I can find out who you guys are. And of course, tag me on Instagram, take a little selfie and say I'm in for the 7-day challenge. Tag me, Rebecca-Louise Fitness. And look, Alfie even just came along to tell you, you make sure that you better tag. Right, here is day 2. Guys, I'll see you then. Bye. In the beginning, this first time, it's just a little practice. Squeeze those elbows, push up, and we've got 10 seconds left to go here. Squeeze those elbows in towards your waist. Now make sure that you're not moving your hips.